Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learners Academy. Today is our 42 टॉपिक ऑन कोग्निटिव साइकोलॉजी। ये जो टॉपिक है ये पिछले से ही रिलेट करता है, जिसके अंदर हमने मेंटल इमेज के बारे में बात की थी। ये उसके बाद ही करता है। इसके हमने इसका इंट्रोडक्शन देख लिया था। दोबारा से इसकी जो सी डेफिनेशन है उसको बताते चलूँ। Mental image refer to a visualizing, seeing in the mind eye, hearing in the head, imagining the field. It perceptual experience. It resembles perceptual experience but occur in the absence of the appropriate external stimuli. Mental imagery is important to way we think about different things. For example, an artist may sometimes envision a work of art before starting to create it. Mental imagery is very important to reason but problems are performed better in situations that require physical or mental exercise. कैन यू इम्प्रूव मेंटल इमेजरी, मतलब कि कैसे हम अपनी मेंटल जो उसको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं। Practice occasionally seeing a few images as vivid and clear. You can for even just a second, then relax and allow your image to be less vivid. Do that a few times and you will notice a major improvement. What part of brain control mental images? Separate illness of research have shown the visual memory and visual mental image are mediated frontal parental control region and can rely on the occipital-temporal sensory regions of the brain. We can use fMRI images जिसमें functional to assess the degree to which visual memory and visual mental imagery rely on the same neural substrates. How do the उसके बाद है कि how do you train mental imagery? The only way to gain the benefit of imagery, it is use set imagery goal, set specific goal for what area you to work on the off season. For example, you might focus on some technical change, being more relaxed and focused, or just relay fast and finishing. इसकी टाइप्स आ गए हैं। मूवमेंट है, स्मेल, साइट, टेस्ट, फीलिंग, टच, साउंड, जो हमारी सेंसेस हैं और वो वाली सी, ठीक है। आर मेंटल इमेजरी लाइक पिक्चर्स है। मेंटल इमेज और मेंटल पिक्चर इज़ एन एक्सपीरियंस दैट ऑन most occasions significant resemble the experience of visually perceiving some subject, event or scenes but occur when the relevant object, event or scenes is not actually present on the senses. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है कि व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ इमेजरी? द फंक्शन ऑफ इमेजरी इज लिटरेचर टू जनरेट द vibrant and graphic presentation of scenes that appeals to as many of reader sense of as possible. It aids the reader imagination to envision the character and seeing the literacy piece clearly. Visual image is memory technique that involves constructing mental image when learning new information in order to be able to better recall the information later. Painting the mental pictures in another way to think about visual image. Positive, can you anticipate it will clear and feel full of energy. Positive participants were instructed to imagine themselves in each scenario as if actively involved seeing this through their own eyes and practice to focus on the scenario outcomes.